Hey, hello guys, this is Forever Looney here. Today, I just want to speak to you guys in regards to insurance. I have shared this in the previous episode where I'm actually talking about finding a financial planner and getting an insurance check, getting your stocks bought, getting your funds, getting all those insurance fund manager that are running your funds to help you get passive income when you are sitting on compound interest. Alright, so let us talk about insurance today, okay? So insurance has been something that a lot of people have been debating. Some people say you don't need insurance for this, you don't need insurance for that, but however, if you are asking me, I do buy insurance itself, okay? Reason being is because if I get into any accident with my vehicle, I will want something to be able to protect me. However, there is actually another argument regarding what is the human factor on the incidents like that. Like for example, if you get into a car accident and there is a certain terms and condition you have to comply before you are actually entitled to get the insurance. I'm not sure whether it's right or wrong or whether it's real or fake, but I do have my own financial planner and I get them to help me check out on the insurance that I'm buying, finding out what I'm supposed to comply, finding out what I'm supposed to look out for every time when I'm on the road. So pretty much I'm getting an insurance. There is so much things out there. There are life insurance, there are health insurance, there are accident assurance insurance. There is so much insurance out there. I even heard that people are buying insurance for their legs, for their hands, for their body part, whatever things. There's so much things out there and it's pretty funny. Alright, so let me just talk a bit about insurance, how you guys want to protect yourself. Okay, for me, my understanding about insurance is it's not to protect me. Okay, let's just say that today I get into an accident, I'm handicapped. Okay, I'm handicapped. I require a certain amount of money to stay past the rest of my life. But however, all this money belongs to my family members. And if anything happens to me and I become handicapped, I become anything, I would need a certain amount of money for my family members, right? So let's just say that a given scenario, my son is 13 years old, which means he is actually underage to go out there to work. And then my wife is maybe somewhere around same age as me, maybe 40, maybe 30 plus, alright? So my wife has to take care of the son for 5 years, inclusive of his education fee, his daily expenses, his daily meals, and also her own daily meals. At the same time, my parents, they also have their daily meals to take care of, alright? So with all these expenses coming in, what makes you think that the amount that is inside my bank account, okay, upon paying all the taxes, the income tax, all the other taxes that I have to pay, what makes you think that even if I'm earning at $5,000, my wife is able to pay the medical bills, to pay my children's student loans, my family daily expenses, and also all the different meals that they are having? Alright, so this is where insurance come into play. And this is where you are able to actually claim that, say, hey, I got into an accident, I got into a health thing, I need subsidies for a certain things, I need some cash for a certain thing, and this is where the money comes back to you. And that is the reason why you are getting insurance. I do know that there is this 50% insurance, 50% savings plan. I am not really keen in that. Reason being is because I do see that investment and insurance is both different things. I want to get my maximum coverage, while I also want to put my insurance as something that that holds dearly of whatever that I can. Like for example, what I'm more concerned, and usually I will share with my financial planner, is we are talking about things that says that, hey, if anything happens to me, can I pass the rights to another person? So this person can just do claims and do whatever things when on behalf of me. Let's say anything happens to me. So I want my wife or I want my family members to be one of the person that is able to claim whatever that I have and, you know, take out whatever things that is under my name to them. So they receive an amount of money that's able to help them through a period of time. Okay? So this is the thing that I always find out, and I always find out from all the different financial planner that is helping me to manage my insurance. So this is very important because I do not want that when anything happens to me and then my family member tries to go and get an insurance and they are being rejected. They say no, you can't claim the insurance because it's not under your name. That is the worst thing that would happen. And if that would happen, I would rather not getting an insurance and rather getting myself some assets like maybe real estate, some assets like stocks, commodities, oil, gold, silver. I would rather get things like that and pass it to them physically, alright? So when I think about insurance, there is this 80% trust that I trust in them giving the right choices and the right things to my family members. However, thinking about paying around $200 to $300 every month on all my health, life, accidents, and maybe sometimes travel insurance and stuff like that, I think this is actually a very good protection plan for me and my family members. At least I feel assured when I'm overseas, when I feel assured when I'm on the road, I feel assured when I get into any medical condition and stuff like that. Okay, so pretty much you guys have to find out what are the terms and conditions that you are facing when you are getting the insurance. Make sure you know how the whole process works and how you are able to hand them over to another person to do claims, to do other things. Alright, so the other type of like what I said just now, there's this insurance and savings plan. Reason being is because I don't believe that you are protecting yourself at the same time having a savings plan, because the payout will be very different. But what I need is a long-term insurance, like the one that I get until the day I leave the world, be it in an accident, be it in any different scenario, like at home, at the hospital, at whatever things, having an illness and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that before the last moment of my life, I do have insurance protecting me. So in any case of any mishap or something, I know that there is something that is protecting my family with the contracts. Alright? So you guys got to really make the decisions. If you do not want to get insurance, you do not want to get any protection plans, it's fine. I would rather focus more on cash assets. Actually, I would rather focus on cash flow, because even when you got cash flow, even if anything happens to you, anything that comes down to you, you still have cash flow coming in. It doesn't disrupt. It's just like you getting retrenched in this epidemic season. Alright, when you get retrenched, you know that cash is still coming in. Alright, there is no broke in the cash itself. Let's say today I get handicapped and I'm an employee. I cannot go to work anymore. Therefore, I need this amount of money. But however, if you want to protect yourself, do get every single insurance that you have out there that you know is going to help you, or talk to your finance planner to get one. The reason why people don't trust finance planner is they are afraid that people are giving them the choices to make. But you guys have to know, this is your life and this is out there to protect your family members. If you cannot trust the people out there that are telling you, then find somebody that you can trust, or you just get back all the different notes that you have, go home, and then start doing some research. You don't really need 3-4 months, 5-6 months to go and find out what is all this insurance about. You just need to come up with a few questions in your mind. Ask yourself whether these few questions is able to actually clarify whatever that's in your mind right now. And then just go there and ask your financial planner. I mean, you're paying them for a certain amount of money, right? Then might as well just ask them questions like that. Alright? I hope that all these young adults or teenagers and everybody out there that are in their 30s, 40s, okay, learn how to protect ourselves, learn how to protect our family members, how to get cash assets, how to get assets and stuff. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.